Welcome to the Your All News. This news bulletin is about the entertainment news or Bollywood, Hollywood industries news or media news. Please visit our website for detailed news information. This news bulletin is sponsored by ajtutorings.com. Please visit our contact page for any advertisement purpose or please give your feedback on a feedback page. Sushant Singh Rajput's neighbor says no party at actor's house night before his dying. Light was switched off from Bollywood. A chunky Pandey on resuming work. Going out and shooting was quite a scary experience from Bollywood. Sangeeta Bijlani planning a comeback. Unlike 80s and 90s films depict much stronger female parts now from Bollywood. Sushant had so much to live for from Bollywood. Announcement galore. Bollywood announces new films even as old ones wait for release from Bollywood. Salman Khan celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi with household sea pics as he brings Bappa home with Arpita Sohail Arbaz from Bollywood. Shahid Kapoor's intense gaze still feel romantic to Meera Rajput. The way you look at me from Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput's housekeeper reveals what happened on night Riya Chakrabarti left actor's home from Bollywood. Sonia Razan Pooja Bhatt explained Mahesh Bhatt's message to Riya Chakrabarti. Same forward was sent to countless others posted on Twitter from Bollywood. Sora Bhaskar, the industry has become a lot more answerable to the audience than it ever was before from Bollywood. Isha Deol praises brother Bobby Deol's work in Class of '83. Congratulations, love the film from Bollywood. Sanjay Dutt shares Ganesh Chaturthi pic with wife Manyata. Wish this festival removes all obstacles from our lives from Bollywood. Gulpanag, ultimately apart from entry, you need to be good at your job from Bollywood. Gauri Khan shares new pics of son Abraham, offers parenting recommendations. Lockdown is definitely not a vacation from Bollywood. Tapsi Pannu wants to do something like Koi Faryad with Anubhav Sinha. He says Jagdish Singh Kahan Se Laau from Bollywood. Here's what makes Rakesh Bapat carve his own Ganpati every 12 months for last 2 decades from Bollywood. Pankaj Tripathi praises Gunjan Saksena's fathers. Our society needs more fathers like Anup Saxena from Bollywood. Nasruddin Shah to resume shoot next week. I always thought there were too many people on set doing nothing from Bollywood. Ganesh Chaturthi 2020 Ajay Devgan, Priyank Chopra, Kangana Ranaut says Ganpati Bappa Moria be picked from Bollywood. Shilpa Shetty welcomes Bappa home for daughter Samish, Samisha's first Ganesh Chaturthi, says the Pandit quarantined for 13 days from Bollywood. Riya Chakravarti had no relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput on a day of his loss of life. Her visit to see his body highly suspicious from lawyer from Bollywood. Inside, Kareena Kapoor's son Taimur's Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations with Lego Ganesha, praying for peace, health and safety from Bollywood. Akshay Kumar Suryavanshi, Ranveer Singh's 83 could head to streaming if theaters don't open on time. Reliance CEO, Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput's lose of life. M seemed to look into possibility of murder probe. Why no time stamp on autopsy report from Bollywood. Suffocated Suraj Pancholi bids farewell to Instagram, deletes all but one post from Bollywood. Rhea Chakravarti's WhatsApp chats with Mahesh Bhatt on a day Sushant Singh Rajput died revealed filmmaker tried calling her from Bollywood. Nikki Jonas shares a gorgeous pic of wife Priyanka Chopra at the seaside, says these are a few of my favorite things from Bollywood. Milind Soman's wife Ankita Pence notes about hate she received on their 26-year age distinction. Some said I was 12 when we met from Bollywood. Shekhar Suman expressed happiness as CBI begins probe into Sushant Singh Rajput case. There is how an investigation is done from Bollywood. Rhea Chakravarti states Sushant Singh Rajput told her to leave his home. Chats with Mahesh Bhatt reveal in any other case from lawyer Bollywood. Matt Reeves shares first look of the Batman logo. Michael Penn opens up about his love for horror. Rami Malek look and name as No Time to Die villain revealed. 5 interesting things to know about teen drama Chemical Heart. Ellie Goulding. I spent my 20s pretty much in mad chaos. Brian Cranston talks about the loving father-son relationship in the one and only Yvonne. Death on the Nile trailer. Get ready for a glitzy, glamorous mystery. Ali Fazal dedicates Death on the Nile trailer to mom. Says she might have liked it. Mariah Carey to unveil new album on October 2. Back in business with Ali Fazal's Hollywood flick. 19 Day Finance Cole reveals he kept this huge secret from Jess. Exclusive. 90 Day Finance men yells homophobic slur at Armando and Kenneth. Exclusive. Ellen DeGeneres offers new perks to staff insiders say morale has improved. NXIVM and Alison Mack. How the Samuelville actress was involved in the sex cult. Loving the time of Corona. How the freeform rom-com tackles romance during quarantine. Exclusive. Taylor Swift makes an cameo on Selena Gomez's HBO Max cooking series. RuPaul's Drag Race Season 13 and All Star 6 are officially coming to VH1. The Crown Season 4, the new teaser and premiere date. Jack Snyder's Justice League debates at DC Fandom Watch. Dwayne Johnson confirms he will take on Noah Centineo and the Justice Society in Black Adam. The Flash director teases Ben Affleck's role in the movie and reveals Barry's new super suit. Why Malin Ackerman only watches her own movies once. Exclusive. The Suicide Squad James Gunn reveals first look at DC Fandom. New Wonder Woman 1984 trailer debates at DC Fandom Watch. Wesley Snipes teases hilarious coming to America 2. Exclusive. Why Scream 5 fans think Selena Gomez is joining the cast. What to stream this weekend? Best of your favorite shows and movies. Ben Affleck to return as Batman, The Flash standalone film. J Balvin and Roddy Ricch no longer performing at 2020 MTV VMAs. BTS on recording their first songs in English. Why Dynamite was huge journey. Little was a start on the final stage of the Love Triangles and Season 2 exclusive. New Music Friday, BTS, Mariah Carey, Maluma, and more of the hottest songs and albums of the week. BTS on how ARMY has inspired him and Amit Rafiq. BTS drops new Dynamite music video. Maluma celebrates major milestone with the fifth studio album, Papi Junao. Megan Thee Stallion claims Tory Lanez shot her in candid video. The chick performs national anthem at Democratic National Convention. John Legend and Common deliver a passionate glory performance on final night of the DNC. Flash reviews and rating 2.5 out of 5, a show that barely has anything fresh or frightening to offer. Novel-based movies on teenage romance that give you the warm and fuzzy feeling of love. Now a web series on Meena Kumari. Shankar Madhavan. The response to Bandish Bandi has been amazing. Asharam Prakasha wanted real actors for even a rally crowd. Rachel Weisz to be seen in a lead double role in Dead Ringers. Utopia trailer. The much-awaited thriller series premieres on September 25. Premieres on. Serving on Ace Arena, Norozi learns tennis in hometown Hanover, Germany. Surabhasa start an initiative called Main Chati who asks fans to talk about beliefs they had eradicated. Tina Datta on why she prefers the digital medium. Thanks for watching the YourOnly.com. Please stay tuned with us. We are updating the latest news from all over the world, from each and every area. Please visit our website. As you can see on our video, our website has categorically each new and every news. If you wanted to see the descriptions, you can go and check that thing. We also provide the source link where we have fetching this news. We are getting these informations and leads of news. This news bulletin is sponsored by ajtutorings.com. Please visit our contact page for any advertisement purpose or anything else. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the YourNews.com.